Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Project. Hope you guys doing well. So today we will install a 15 most popular and a powerful web development extension for our Visual Studio Code editor. So these extensions help you to code more faster and a easier way and a good looking and also help you to debug your code very easily. So without any delay, let's start the video. So firstly, open your Visual Studio Code editor. Now click on this icon. So search for first one, JavaScript ES6 code sprint. So type JavaScript ES6 and the code is net. So I think it need to mention. I think it don't need to mention the powerful of importance of a JavaScript in a web development. So these extensions help you to provide a JavaScript and a TypeScript, Vue.js and a React.js support. So click on there and install it. Mine is already installed. So there is a few documentation below. You can go and check it out. Now moving forward to the second one. The second one is CSS Peak. So CSS Peak basically suggests the name and jump to the CSS code using the classes and the ID by clicking there. So if you click on there, it directly jump to the classes and the ID and help you to write a code, a CSS code. Now the third one, the path intelligence. So these are a very popular and most powerful extension in a Visual Studio Code. You can see the downloads. It's a 50 lakhs download currently users. So it is basically help to code from the other file, and we were using this code in a daily basis. So there is also a documentation you can see. So now the fourth one is a ESLint. ESLint is basically a utility for a JavaScript. So when you write something error in a JavaScript command, it directly helps you to debug your code, mark underline there, and you can easily see there is an error. So download it will very helpful for you. So you can see the downloads. So you can click and search it. So now the fifth one is a Prettier. So Prettier for a good looking code. It performs the formatting of a CSS, JavaScript, HTML and other. So you can click and download. It will also help you. Now the sixth one is the Emmet. Hope you guys know little bit about the Emmet. So if not, let me open. So let me create and one file .html. So I uploaded in the .html folder. Opening. Let's click on there and create a one file index.html. So you can see the advantage of index. We just put a exclamatory sign and press tab. It create your baller template. So this is the advantage of a Emmet, and it is really a most powerful and most of a developer uses. It saves you a lot of a time. So let's take one more example. So ULLI and into 5. So it created this. So you can go and check in the documentation Emmet. It is available and completely free. So now check for another one. 7. The HTML and CSS support. These extensions it give a more support to write a code of a CSS and a HTML. So go and download. So this is where we use in a daily basis also this this plugin extension. So now the now the eighth one is a live server. So hope you guys know little bit. It is a created by a Ritvik Day. So you see the downloads again. So it provide a live server extensions, provide a preview for a web application right within an editor. So you go and open the live server. So just right click and click on open live server. So it is opening our live server. Wait a little bit. Sometimes it take a time. So yeah, it's finally opening. So this is so it doesn't need to save. Always click on reload there. So let's quickly take one more example. So it is lorem 20 and it created a 20 and I just save this and it directly printed there. So this is the advantage of a live server. So now the ninth one is the auto rename tag. It auto renaming your tag when it got an error. So you can go and click to the install. It's also very helpful for you. It increase it give a more command in your code when you writing code. Now the next one is a better comment. By default, Visual Studio Code does not provide that much good looking comment. So we use a better comment. So you can see this better comment. It provide a colorful comment also. So you can go and modify. So how to use comment? So it is by default Control K and C. So it commenting there. So you can go and check out. Now the next one is auto close tag. Most of a developer use the auto close tag. So I also use this in a daily basis. So it directly close your tag if you forget to close. It create a less chances of a error. So you can also download. It will really helpful for you. Now the next one is a material theme. Material theme is a Visual Studio Code theme. So you can go and check material theme. So this is your material theme. Okay, material icon theme है. Material icon theme. So it provide icons. Few icons that you can use in your projects. Now the next one is the REST API. REST client. So it is used for testing the API in your code. HTTP it's basically allow HTTP request for your response in a Visual Studio directly. So you can go and check we can use in a few of our project regularly. So it is really helpful if you are using in a backend. Now the next one is a project manager. This extension help you to manage your project. So when you install it, provide this icon there, so you can click and go to check. So it's really helpful for us. Sometimes we need to make a big scale project, so it helps to manage our file correctly and not doing mess on there. Now the next one and the last, materialize theme. I think theme. Why it's not showing? Let me check. Yeah, I think there is a something. So I installed this. Let's go and check there. Yeah, this one, material theme. Sorry. So it's provided material, the Visual Studio theme. So you can go and check, can set the color. So there is a many. So this is also a good looking. So you can go and check. So it is in a dark and a high contrast. So this is looking very good. So let's click and go and check. So yeah, it's really awesome and good looking. So yeah, that's it for this. So if you have any queries related to this, ask in a comment section. So if you don't follow me in a LinkedIn and Instagram, so I give the link in a description. Go and follow. We provide the latest update there. Subscribe our channel. Don't forget to press a bell icon. Thank you for watching.